Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to play The Sims 4 multiplayer. Alright, so let's begin. The best way to play The Sims 4 multiplayer is to download S4MP. So, all that you have to do is look for The Sims 4 multiplayer or S4MP on Google and access this website at sims.multiplayer.com. When you arrive at this page, I recommend that you take your own time to read through the showcase and watch videos if you want to. They even have a frequently asked questions page over here at the bottom if you need additional help. But all you have to do to acquire the mod is click download and you will be redirected to this website CurseForge. In here, click download or you can install it automatically if you have the CurseForge launcher. If you scroll down, you will have the installation guide. Before you even start installing it, you need to make sure that Enable Custom Content and Mods and Script Mods Allowed are enabled inside of the game options in the other category. After you turn these two options on, you will be able to download the mod, like I said, and place the files in your The Sims 4 installation folder. You will then be able to enable it through your firewall. As I'm showing you on screen, you can share your IP address with friends to join them. One of you will have to host the lobby and include everyone else's sim before they join, and whoever is going to join will be assigned one of the sims you've created for them. So that's basically how you can play The Sims 4 multiplayer. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.